Alright, good morning everybody. I know it has been a while, but I did get a chance to do a little bit on the generator box, and as you can see I've got the ET1 belted up on numbers 2 and 3 on the box there. Going to try and run those in again just to get some spins on them so that the bearings will set in. And yeah, I know it's been a while since I was out here, but I was busy with a few things and had a minor surgery that I took a few days for, and hopefully with less summer stuff I'll have a little more time in the fall here. And you know, I needed to take some time away from the generator box just to think about it a little bit before I did a little more work on it. I have I think the last time we checked in I had some maintenance concerns on the ETX I needed to look at. So I guess today we're just going to focus on running the ET1 and getting the generators settled in a little bit, and maybe try out some of the things I changed on the box. But it's a gray day out, so we'll see how well the camera handles that. And I am just inside my garage so that if it starts raining I can get everything inside real quick. And I left the needle where it was last time, so hopefully I should be able to just turn the spark on there, because I did check the spark before I turned the camera on. Alright, well, okay. Let's get it. See if priming it. Oh, didn't get it hooked in there. Alright. Alright, there was one little wheeze. Oh, it's spraying a lot of fuel out, so apparently I got it nice and flooded there. So well, it's a bit of a damp day, but I don't think that should be causing problems. Check the plug real quick. Doesn't look bad, but dry it off. That spark is nice and hot in there. keep seeing fuel come out of the exhaust on the other side. But I don't know where it's coming from because I shut the needle a second ago, so it shouldn't be pulling any fuel in. Oh. If you turn the spark on after you check it, that will help. And it needs a little bit more than that. Alright, I was just going to say we'll let that go, but apparently I don't quite have it warmed up and tuned in, so we'll just let it run for 10 or 15 minutes unloaded. Alright, we're going to let that go for 10 minutes to warm up and then see if I can get it to spin the generators for a little bit.